everyone. So today my topic is all about the mathematicians and their contribution in the field of mathematics. The first one is George Boole. George Boole was born on November 2, 1815, and he died on December 8, 1864. He was an English mathematician who helped establish a modern symbolic logic and whose algebra of the logic and now called a Boolean algebra. In 1844, he researched on the use of combination of algebra and calculus. He was a mathematician and a logician who worked immensely to create a branch of mathematics and now called deductive logic. In 1844, he researched on the use of combination of algebra and calculus. His paper, The Mathematical Analysis of Logic, was published in 1847, which became the pioneer of modern symbolic logic. His paper on invariant theory was published in 1841 and also proving to be very influential. Another works by George Boole include On the General Method of Analysis, which was a theory on linear differential equations, and Treatise on the Calculus of Finite Differences, an investigation of laws of thought in which are founded the mathematical theories of logic and probabilities, published in 1854, is also considered to be one of Boole's best works. The next mathematician that we're going to talk is all about Andrei Kolmogorov. Andrei Nikolaevich Kolmogorov was born on April 25, 1903, a Soviet mathematician who contributed to the mathematics of probability, theory, topology, intuitionistic logic, turbulence, classic mechanics, algorithmic information, theory, and computational complexity. He has finished writing a paper on operations on sets by the spring of 1922, which was a major generalization of results obtained by Suslin. By June of 1922, he had constructed summable functions which diverge almost everywhere. He was solely unexpected by the experts, and Kolmogorov's name began to known around the world. Kolmogorov graduated from Moscow State University on 1925 and began research under the Luzin supervision in that year. It is remarkable that Kolmogorov published 8 papers in 1925, all written while he was still an undergraduate. Another milestone occurred in 1925, namely Kolmogorov's first paper on probability appeared. This was published jointly with Khinchin and contains the 3 series theorems, qualities, and partial sums of random variables, which would become the basis of martingale inequalities and the stochastic calculus. Com theory, which named after Kolmogorov, Arnold, and Moser, Kolmogorov addressed the International Congress of Mathematicians in Amsterdam on 1954 on this topic, which important talk general theory of dynamical system and classical mechanics. The next one is Friedrich Ferdinand Zermelo. He was born on July 27, 1871, and he died on May 21, 1953. He was a German logician and mathematician whose work has a major implications for the foundation of mathematics. He is known for developing the Zermelo-Fraenkel axiomatic set theory. There are 7 axioms. The first is axiom of extensionality, axiom of elementary sets, axiom of separation, power set axiom, union axiom, axiom of choice, and axiom of infinity. The axioms is an approvable rule of first principle accepted as a truth because it is a self-evident or particularly useful. The term is often used interchangeably with the postulate, though the later term is sometimes reserved for mathematicians' application, such as the postulate of Euclidean geometry. And that would be all. Thank you.